How to change your gender to male on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender to male on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find these three lines in the top corner, and then just click settings, and here you will find this one, not settings. Click these three lines in the top corner and then click on your profile, and now just click edit, and here you will find your gender. Click on it and click male and save. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.